You want to go in your room? Okay, so the thing I wanted to tell you was when I touched water, I didn't turn into a bird. Okay, that's right. And stop turning and doing some mermaid. See? Let's see if it works on me. Yeah, it didn't turn me into.
Wake up and smile, 'cause it's been a while. It's been like a whole day since I stopped so you could hold me. But this child awaits, strong in the faith. Lord, you are the refuge that I can't wait to get to. 'Cause I can't let a day go, can't let a day go by without thanking you for the joy that you bring to my life. And it's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When trouble sings.
Hey, it's not raining anymore. It's not? Hey. I wouldn't know if it would turn me into a mermaid if I put my feet in. Your brother's over there. How am I going to look for the potion right now? Oh, he's shooting his bow and arrow. He can shoot us and then we can be like, ah! Hey, how about we like play spies? Like, how about we pretend we're playing tag? Yeah. Tag, good! Okay, he's not looking right now. Wait, he's not looking. I got you. It's not moving. Okay. How about we drink it? I'll put some in the. Oh. What? Wait. What is it? Should we drink it? Both of this. Do you have a test? Okay, he's not working. Go. What do you think we should do now? Oh. It's hurt so much. We should probably go in the pool. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, so the thing I needed to tell you that's really serious is that